Due to the burger's thermal mass, the sous-vide bath was initially calibrated to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Upon immersion of the burger in the water, the bath's temperature decreased by 1.5 degrees. After the unit regained its original temperature, the setting was adjusted to 133 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. After this process, the burger was allowed to rest for 20 minutes before being placed in an ice bath, a step crucial for preserving its quality. By allowing the burger to rest for 20 minutes before transferring it to the ice bath, we ensured it retained its flavor and freshness, while reabsorbing essential fat and moisture. After a refrigeration period of approximately 1 week, the burger was gently reheated to an optimal temperature of 128 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 hours before grilling. Bath set to 133 degrees Fahrenheit. A sous-vide needle probe was employed to ensure accurate temperature monitoring. These meticulous procedures guarantee that each bite will be expertly cooked and exceptionally enjoyable.
The burger weighed closer to 8.5 pounds with the buns and toppings.